Hi, I'm Trevor, and I want to welcome you to the JPEG experience. Today, we are talking the EOS R5. I've had this camera for now 3 days, and I really want to like this camera. It feels great. I love the sandpapery kind of shark skin texture of the top of the camera. I love the fact that they brought back the wheel as opposed to the D-pad. I do really miss that touch bar. Just kidding. Nobody's gonna miss that touch bar. My very favorite thing so far is the sound of the shutter. Check this out. I think that sounds fantastic. But with any brand new technology, there's some issues. So the purpose of this video really is my workarounds, my current workarounds with the files which are not compatible to Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, or Premiere Pro, which really makes things a pain if you can't use your editing software on the new files. How these people are making these reviews with some of that Canon software is beyond me. That must be an absolute pain. So I'm gonna go take a couple shots with this, and I will show you my workaround on how to access the files on the new camera. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this. Once you upload your files into your computer, and all right, so you go to Lightroom. Try to import your files. You can see that they are not compatible. So let me show you my workaround. Okay, so I just took a couple pictures, and let me walk you through my current workaround on how to access files and get the files into Lightroom and Photoshop. So first things first, upload your photos into your computer. In my case, I've been just plugging in the R5 into the computer directly with a USB 3.1. If you have a CF Express card reader, you can go ahead and do that as well. First things first, get the files, bring them into your computer. It doesn't matter where you put your files. So for now, I'm just gonna drop them into my desktop. They'll get deleted and moved into my full catalog later on. So the proper way of doing this, DPP4 pre-downloaded. So go ahead and load up DPP4. This is the recommended way to do this. Here are our files. Select them all. Click Save. Use a folder. I'm just going to do a folder on my desktop for this example. Okay, I am going to convert them to TIFF files. Everything is the same thing. I'm not resizing anything. I'm just keeping the files the same. And go ahead and execute. This is the recommended way, but this is not what I recommend. This, as you can see, this is super slow. In this example, I have only taken 10 images, and I expect this to take a few minutes. So hang tight. I will fast forward this for you so you don't have to put up with this. It is tedious at best. Okay, we're just finishing up. That was brutal, but we now have a file full of TIFF files. Here we are. Now we could take these in to Lightroom. Drop it and upload it, and it is now readable. Let me show you the better way. So we're going to go ahead and cancel this. Close this out. So what you're going to do is go to the links down below, click on this link. It will take you to the Adobe community site. This is from Adobe. It is the DNG Converter beta. It is a public beta. So go ahead, if you have Windows here, and Mac is here as well. Download that. Once you have it downloaded, open it up. Select the folder that you want to convert. In this case, it's our original file. Select that. Select the new folder that you want to convert it to. So for this one, we'll just do the same thing. We'll do a new folder. We'll call it DNG test. Okay, select that. I'm going to keep the file name exactly the same as before, and we're going to convert. And all done. So you can see completely better than the Digital Photo Professional 4 by Canon. Yeah, the beta version of Adobe DNG Converter is way faster. So once you're there, you can do the same thing. You can grab the new DNG files and bring them into Lightroom, and they're readable. All right, hope you like this workaround for the new Canon R5 and to access your RAW files. Unfortunately, I have not found a way to access most of the video files. I have heard rumors that there is a beta for Premiere Pro, but I don't have access to that. If I do, I will definitely share that information and the links as well. All right. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye-bye.